recipe is a fantastic, lovely bake that I absolutely love baking.
But I love more.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is Sia's absolute
Favorite
cupcakes ever.
ever.
So she is going to go behind the camera now and she's going to film this video so that as soon as they're ready, you can
Eat them.
well done, well done. Go, come on. Let's get baking these amazing, ultimate, most delicious chocolate cupcakes.
Life-changing, amazing.
So off we go. First of all, with 100 grams of caster sugar goes in. Then goes in 60 ml of sunflower oil I've used here. Then goes in 1 large egg. And now I'm going to whisk this first. So that's a few seconds of mixing that. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then I'm going to beat this again. And next thing to go in is 120 grams of self-raising flour I've had here, and also 30 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of bicarb of soda, a good pinch of salt, and I'm going to add, in this cup I will add 2 tablespoons of strong instant coffee. And then to this I'm going to add 140 ml of boiling water. Mix this up and this will go into our flour mix. So I'm going to start whisking this. And then slowly add the coffee. So I'm just going to transfer this chocolate mix. It's a very runny mix, but that is how these cupcakes are. Just going to transfer it in a jug so that it's easy to just kind of pour into the cases. So that's the mix. We only want to fill them half, because if we overfill them, they will kind of pop out. So I just want to fill them just half. A little, yeah, half or a little less, but definitely not more than half. And depending on how much I've filled, it usually makes 12 or sometimes 14. And you might be really tempted to fill this with more chocolate, but please don't. I'm going to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. And I have managed to fill 6 more. One is really low, but that's okay. And I'm going to put it in once the other ones are out from the oven. Ooh dear, the timer has gone off. And they look pretty done. I've just got a toothpick. Oh, yeah, they are done. 15 minutes and they are done. I'm going to get them out. So the key is that as soon as they are out, without burning your hands, oh, I promise it's much easier than that. Take them out and put them on a cooling rack. So I'm going to do the same. These are perfectly topped, and it gives us enough space to put the icing on. Whereas if I had filled them up to more than half, then they would spill out, and that is not very nice. Whereas this is perfect for our icing. In a pan, I'm going to just take 100 grams of butter. To this, I am going to add 150 grams of dark chocolate, 70% chocolate. That's the chocolate. Now you can melt this over a bain-marie, which is over a pan of boiling water, or microwave. I am just doing it directly on a pan, but on really low heat, and I'll just stand there and not leave it unattended. So it's only taken a minute to do it, and I'm just going to add a teaspoon of golden syrup and then take it over. So before I add anything to this, I'm transferring it to a bowl, because if I add anything quite quickly and the chocolate is still hot, it will split, and we don't want that. Trust me, I say this from experience. So I'm just going to leave this for a couple of minutes to kind of cool down slightly. Now the chocolate is literally just lukewarm, and that's when I add 100 or 110 ml of cream. Just mix it up, and that's your pouring ganache ready. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to just pour this on top, and then just shake it up, and it goes into the corners of the cupcake. And it's as easy as that. You can of course fill it in a piping bag, but it just, see, when it's too high or too filled up, then the icing can go on the sides. So that's why we need that little lip space, so that the icing fits in perfectly. There is plenty of room. And just because, why not? I'm going to finish them with some Maltesers. And I can see Sia already getting very, very impatient. I don't think she's going to let the chocolate cupcake set, because this icing takes around half an hour to set. I don't think we have got that half an hour, do we, Sia?
No.
No, see, I told you. Oi!
Scary.
Come on then. So they're so soft because they are the most moist cupcakes ever. And I know it's not set. Oh, look. Now that is a cupcake. So soft, and it's nothing heavy about these cupcakes. They are light as feather. The icing is perfect. Melt in your mouth, unlike any other chocolate cupcakes you might have had. And if you've tried my chocolate cake recipe, you will love these. They are just amazing. Absolutely, there's a reason why they are Sia's favorite cupcakes, because they are amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a comment and like. Let me know if you give these a go, and I will see you very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now.